Travis Legal Offices is going to rebrand and just change names to Rampart Injury Lawyers. Instead of naming it after individual attorneys, we decided more so make it about who we are and what we can do for the communities, whether it's a car accident, a truck accident, motorcycle crash, something along those lines. Our job is to be that wall between that sense of anxiety, dread, and just try to help. We're trying to rebrand to be a little bit more closely tied to the communities that we do serve. I want people who are in need of injury attorneys to be able to find us quickly, easily, and then let us take it from there. You've been through enough. This is Now What? Your guide to recovering after life blindsides you. I'm Jordan Travis, a personal injury attorney here in Colorado, and together we'll cut through the confusion, expose the insurance games, and let you get the clarity you deserve. This is Jordan Travis, continuing on with the Now What podcast. Today we have some exciting news to share. Travis Legal Offices is going to rebrand and just change names to Rampart Injury Lawyers. So I wanted to share a little bit today about why we decided to do that and how everything is going to stay the same for all of our active clients and any future clients, but basically why we did this and who we are as a firm. So, and what other resources we can offer as far as Rampart Injury Lawyers and what it's going to be for the community and for our clients. So, to give you a little background, our firm was started a long time ago by my parents in the late 90s. At that time was known as Todd A. Travis PC because Todd Travis was the only attorney there. So it's you just everyone names law firms after their attorneys, and that's just what people did. When I joined the firm in 2020 after graduating law school, we thought it was more appropriate to name it after a group, after all of us. So we came up with Travis Legal Offices, and that's what we've been operating under for since 2020. And now at this point, we decided that instead of naming it, because part of the problem too, instead of naming it after individual attorneys and making it like law firms do, make it about the attorneys, we decided to more so make it about who we are and what we can do for the communities. Like Travis Legal Offices specifically doesn't tell anyone what we do. So anyway, that's why we decided that it was appropriate and it was best to add injury lawyers into our name. And while we're coming up with various names, we thought through a lot of different ideas, continuing on with Travis or naming it after, other places that were located, like in Castle Rock, Colorado. The bottom line is we did settle on Rampart Injury Lawyers, and there's history behind that and a reason behind it. But for today's episode and today's podcast, I just wanted to talk to everyone about why the changeovers. So Rampart is has multiple meanings to us and to the geography in Colorado in particular. Our office is located in Castle Rock, Colorado, which is almost a smack in the middle between Colorado Springs and Denver. That stretch of the mountain range between Colorado Springs and Denver is called the Rampart Range mountain stretch. And you can, look up, there's a lot of like trails and different things. I think there is even a Rampart reservation and preserve up in the mountains for and Rampart Parks and everything along those lines. So our firm is named after in part the geography that we're serving and the communities that we're located in. We live in this area of town. My parents have lived here. I grew up in this area of town. Our families are based here. So we thought it was best to just name it after the first of all the location where we serve. The other meaning behind Rampart is it's a Rampart itself is a wall. It's a feature on top of like castles or barricades and has been for a long time. That's just what it means. And we thought it was appropriate to name ourselves in part after that as well, because in our eyes, a lot of times, especially in car accident cases or injury cases, and the more serious ones as well, a lot of times if our clients have described to us that it feels like they're just being assaulted from all angles, like the insurance companies yelling at them, they don't feel good. If there's, the evidence being collected from the police or whatever is going on. It's a lot coming at them. There's a lot of different medical bills, and we wanted to help be that that wall that protects clients after they experience something like a car accident or a truck accident, something that leaves them vulnerable. So again, we just wanted to protect them after something that leaves them vulnerable, whether it's a car accident, truck accident, motorcycle crash, something along those lines. Those type of situations that can feel very overwhelming to people. Our job is to be that wall between that sense of anxiety, dread, and just try to help get them to where they should be and can be. So that is also why we decided to name ourselves Rampart Injury Lawyers. As you can see, here's the new logo and color scheme. The logo itself, for anyone who's based in Colorado, is Castle Rock. That's where our primary office is located. And the orange goes along with that because that actually is similar to the colors of the Castle Rock itself. So we're trying to rebrand to be a little bit more closely tied to the communities that we do serve, as well as signify in a more descriptive term than just generally that we're a legal office, exactly what we do for clients and how we can help them. So that's the point behind the rebrand itself. In terms of what's next and what's coming, we will have the same phone number, we'll have the same contact information. Nothing as far as how our office operates will change at all. We'll still have the same exact way of handling cases. It's not, even if we, through the rebrand take in more cases, we will still handle them the same way, the right way to do them. That's frankly the only way I know how to do it, is to do everything to the best I can anyway. No matter what happens with the rebrand, we're never going to change that. So Rampart Injury Lawyers is going to handle the same way, cases the same way, and represent clients with the same quality that Travis Legal Offices did throughout its time and continues to do. As far as the what's to come with Rampart Injury Lawyers as well, I've been over the last probably 6 months or so spending quite a bit of time updating a new website for Rampart Injury Lawyers. It will be live as of July 31st, 2026. That website will include very detailed guides about car accidents, trucking accidents, all of our practice areas, the different injury types that can happen, what to do in those situations, the communities we serve, dangerous intersections around us, like common crash intersections. I mean, it's a complete compendium of resources and knowledge and information that anyone who's in a car accident, truck accident, or any injury case, hopefully they can find a lot of what they need or at least understand what's going on through our new website. And then if there's further questions beyond that, they can reach out to us directly. Our phone number, like I said, is going to stay the same. That'll be 303-766-8766. RampartInjuryLawyers.com will be the new website. So keep an eye out for that for the launch. I'm really excited about the website. I think and the rebrand as a whole. I think it's going to help us be found by the people who need us the most a lot easier. That's the goal. Is I want people who are in need of injury attorneys to be able to find us quickly, easily, and then let us take it from there, defend them and help protect them when they need it the most. So if anyone has any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Again, our phone number is 303-766-8766. As of July 31st, 2026, RampartInjuryLawyers.com will be live. This is the new logo. Hopefully, you'll be seeing it a lot more. We'll also be trying to increase our online and social presences. So keep an eye out for all of those, as well as video guides, all sorts of things. It's all exciting. A lot more new stuff on the way. And yeah, thank you very much. If you're in Colorado and dealing with an accident or injury, reach out to us at Travis Legal Offices for your free consultation. You don't have to face this alone. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and remember, when life hits hard, you hit back.